AI, the best for the end, right? So, a lot of questions last year about AI. AI here, AI there, how to use AI, what to do. Okay, so let's try to put it back to context, because AI, you buy it somewhere. So how do you interact with vendors and how do you interact with people that sell you AI that's going to change your life? Basic question is, how do you stay in control as a business leader? It's as simple or as complex as this. Vendors and AI, they can really accelerate your transformation, or they can really distract it, bring it away. The difference on that, one word: governance. Governance. Okay, what you need to buy, it's outcomes, not promises. So when you get a demonstration, you really need to define before the business outcome, the KPIs, the honor, and the total cost over time of this particular thing that you want to buy. You need to ask how adoption will be driven, how risk will be managed, and what work sits with your team versus the supplier. Project management is a question I like to ask and something to consider talking supplier. Let's say if your supplier cannot explain how value will be realized in your operating model, what you're really watching is you're watching a product pitch. You're not really watching somebody that explains you how is gonna transform your organization with the technology. So maybe the question is, do you have the governance first? Have you defined your processes? And have you written a URS, a User Requirement Specification, before bringing the vendor? Something for you to consider. What's important with all of that? Think about outcomes. Think about cost. Think about risk. Think about adoption. So what I want you to do now, before talking to vendors about technology and AI and etc., use a checklist for your next vendor meeting and really keep that around value and delivery. Write a user requirement specification. And if you need a model, give me a shout. Write it below. It's very important. Don't buy technology. Buy outcomes. Next week, the epilogue. We arrive at the end. So I'll give you 2 or 3 other things and really much how to use the full playbook as something repeatable that you can integrate in your business practice. For now, let me know how you get on. Vendors, AI, what your thoughts? What have you done? Keep me posted. Excited to be here.